You just crushed your workout. Your muscles are tight, sore, and fatigued. You know you need to recover, but who has time for long ice baths or painful foam rolling? What if I told you there's a way to speed up recovery in just 10 minutes, without stretching, without massage, and without spending hours on mobility drills? This is the EMS Recovery Program, a science-backed method used by top athletes to recover faster. But does it actually work? And should you be using it? Let's break it down. So how exactly does the EMS Recovery Program work? The session lasts just 10 minutes, making it one of the fastest and most efficient recovery tools out there. Here's how it works. The impulse width is set at 150 microseconds with a frequency of 100 hertz. This keeps the stimulation in the ideal range for muscle recovery, strong enough to activate the muscle, but not intense enough to cause fatigue. The impulse lasts between 1 to 3 seconds, followed by a brief pause of 1 to 3 seconds, mimicking the natural rhythm of muscle contraction and relaxation. The sensation is different from the endurance or strength training modes. Instead of a continuous contraction, it pulses on and off, giving the muscles time to relax between each cycle. This creates a calming, heartbeat-like rhythm that promotes circulation and helps flush out muscle byproducts like lactic acid. There are two ways we typically use EMS recovery. The most common method is simply lying down and letting the system do the work. This maximizes relaxation and gives your muscles a chance to recover without any additional stress. But the EMS recovery program can also be combined with active stretching. This creates a stimulus similar to loaded stretching techniques. By adding gentle movement while the EMS pulses, you can improve flexibility and mobility while still getting all the benefits of recovery mode. And we've got a whole video dedicated to stretching with EMS that you can check out. So when should you use EMS recovery? We typically apply it immediately after a workout when your muscles are fatigued and need help recovering. But it can also be used as a standalone recovery session, even on rest days, to help with soreness or general muscle relaxation. Whether you're an athlete pushing your limits or just someone who wants to recover faster, EMS recovery is one of the most efficient ways to help your muscles bounce back. So we know EMS recovery makes your muscles contract and relax, but what's actually happening in your body that makes it so effective? Let's break down the science. One of the biggest benefits of EMS recovery is enhanced circulation. When the electrical impulse stimulates your muscles, it creates rhythmic contractions, which act like a pump, pushing fresh oxygen and nutrients into the muscle while flushing out metabolic waste like lactic acid. A 2011 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that EMS increases capillary blood flow, which helps muscles recover faster by improving oxygen delivery and reducing soreness. After intense exercise, your muscles build up waste products like lactic acid and carbon dioxide, which can contribute to soreness and stiffness. EMS helps accelerate lymphatic drainage, which is your body's natural way of clearing out these byproducts. In simple terms, EMS keeps your muscles actively working at a low level, which prevents metabolic waste from pooling in your tissue and speeds up the removal process. One of the reasons muscles feel tight and sore after a workout is because they remain in a shortened state, especially if you're inactive post-training. EMS recovery prevents that by keeping your muscles lightly contracting and relaxing, maintaining elasticity and reducing stiffness. There's also a neuromuscular benefit. EMS keeps your nervous system engaged at a low level, preventing post-workout sluggishness and improving muscle activation for your next session. Beyond the physical benefits, EMS can also reduce perceived pain by triggering endorphin release, your body's natural painkillers. This works similarly to a massage or acupuncture, but without external force. The gentle pulsing pattern stimulates sensory nerves, which blocks pain signals from reaching the brain, creating an effect similar to what happens after a deep tissue massage. So when we put it all together, EMS recovery works by boosting circulation for faster nutrient delivery, flushing out metabolic waste to reduce soreness, preventing stiffness and keeping muscles loose, keeping the nervous system engaged for better recovery, and reducing pain sensitivity through endorphin release. This isn't just a passive recovery method. It's a way to actively speed up the healing process and prepare your body for its next workout. Have you tried EMS for recovery, or do you have another go-to recovery method? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what works for you. And if you've ever wondered whether those cheap EMS belts on Amazon actually work, stay tuned. I'll be breaking that down in our next video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it.